Hi guys, this is Ranjit, and as you can see I have the Trident 660 here with me, and we're going to do a pretty decent long test ride on this one to get an idea about this bike. But before that, let me quickly talk a little bit about this bike. So guys, this is the Trident, and this is having a 660cc engine. Again, as you can see, we have a big radiator. I'll also have to check how it does in terms of heating. And this is a 3-cylinder bike, pretty compact to look, but has a lot of power. If I remember, 80 bhp of power and 63 or 64 Nm of torque. So let's ride this one and have a look. And guys, the Triumph Hyderabad guys are so cool. I was in contact with Vikas. I had already rode this one a little bit around the Triumph Hyderabad showroom, but the problem with that one was that area is super crowded. So I simply told him I couldn't judge the bike, so he told no problem, we'll get it around your house. So yeah, here we have. So excellent that way. Wow, this pulls, man, this really pulls. There is a little bit of heat I can feel around the tires. Again, they just brought the bike. It's been ridden about 20-25 kilometers, so it's a good test. I'll also ride it for 10-12 kilometers and see. And by the way, one thing I'm liking, okay, this is supposed to be, now we are in the big bike category, 660cc, and this is a triple cylinder, not dual, but a triple cylinder. Wow, the bike gives that confidence, man. And I'm in 4th gear. I didn't notice that. Wow, it pulls in 4th also. Ooh, I should go a little bit slow. It's new bike, I have to get used to it. It is having 80 bhp of power, if I recall, and about 64 Newton meters of torque. 80 bhp is a lot again, but let's see. Okay, if you really want to drive fast like a hooligan, yes, it can do. Okay, we are in the 3rd gear now, and I didn't change to 2nd gear. I could take the turn, and yes, we have ample torque. So wow, it just touches 80. Like, why do we have so much mud on roads? I'm trying to go to OR where we can push this baby a little bit. Okay, I'm going to do a lazy ride, because what happens is in some of the higher cc bikes is that, okay, you push them and really drive fast, it's very, very comfortable. But when you drive it slow in the city and something, the bikes don't like that. The engine does not like that. I've noticed that on the KTMs. Let's see. Okay, somebody is the back. And the seating position slightly, I would say, aggressive. Okay, this is supposed to having self-canceling indicator, so that is something new. Okay, we are in 3rd. We'll try to drive actually pretty slowly also. Little bit of aggressive driving we did there. Okay, horn could have been louder. It's a typical normal horn, Activa kind of a thing. Okay, now I'm going to ride slowly. Like, I'm just in 4th gear now at 30. Okay, no knocking. So that's good. That's actually good. Just want to drive it lazy also. That's good. I'm just now going to pull from 4th only. I'm not going to downshift. Yep. Wow. Oh shit. After 5,000 RPM, this wakes up. This baby wakes up. Okay, 85. Okay, we did 100 easy. 6th. Wow, I hope the audio didn't get distorted. So I really didn't have to actually downshift for the pickup. Let me just go back to 5th gear. Yes. Though it has a slipper clutch, I feel the clutch is slightly harder. Don't get me wrong. I think so. My Highness clutch is super light, one of the lightest. And I like the mirrors. for a change. These are stock mirrors and I can easily see this is how mirrors should be. So looks like you don't have to change the mirrors when you get this. Oh, I was in 4th, so 3rd easy I can pull. I don't have to downshift to 2nd or anything on this one. The dash is again, what do you say, down. It's a LCD kind of a thing to and a TFT combination that you're getting. So interesting, I would say. And the self-cancelling indicator was nice. So I think it's a timer based or something, or distance based. Okay. Wow, 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 wow. This boy wants to jump. Definitely it has the pulling power, but it's not that scary as the street triple that I had rode. That was like, that wanted to jump out. Okay. To be frank, I will have to ride a little bit more in open roads, but engine is smooth, but I thought that it would be even smoother. Good test for the auto cancelling. I just put the indicator. Let's see if it auto cancels after some time. Didn't cancel till now. Taking a turn. Yeah, it did cancel, so that's cool. So I'm in 4th gear. We are doing 70 easy, 80. So this is again gives that confidence. You can drive fast. I'm not noticing any shake in the, what do you say, handle or anything. In fact, this isn't. Let me just go back to 4th gear. Yeah, if I'm just going in a higher gear and very slow speed, the engine is not that smooth. That's a little bit different. Okay, but above this 3000 rpm, lot of power, man. You have power and torque on tap. Oh my god, this is a hooligan. Yippee! Okay, it has the power. The street triple scared me, but yes, this also has ample power. If you're not careful, you can land into trouble with this one. Brakes, definitely the street triple were more aggressive than this one. Good brakes, but okay, let me go to the 5th gear. Wow, you can easy. And what I like is the confidence. Front brakes are good, back as usual mushy, I feel. But again, these are test bikes, guys, ridden by so many people. The gears are a little bit hard. I asked the Vikas from Triumph. He said, yeah, the gears are slightly hard on this. You have to get used to it. This also has a quick shifter. That's an optional one. You can attach. I think that's for 30,000. Okay, 5th. I'm doing 900. Okay, let me just pull. Okay. Easy 100. The only thing is, as it's a naked, today there is a little bit of wind, so I'm getting that wind blast, but pickup, no issues. In 6th, I'm going to pull now. Easy pull, easy pull. And it's giving me the confidence, I would say. It's not like, it's not giving me the confidence. Okay, let's slow down. Let's see in 5th how it is. So yes, high speed, very stable. This is having a seat height of 805 mm. So it didn't cancel the, what do you say? Oh, it did cancel after some time. So there's a timer kind of a thing, I think so. The engine is smooth, as I've told you guys, but I was thinking in my head, being a triple cylinder, it would have been even more smoother. This does make a noise, that triple cylinder noise, sound, or whatever you want to call that. Okay, mostly decent roads we were running, and in these conditions the suspension is good. I didn't have a problem with the suspension. After that 3,500-4,000 RPM, you have that surge of power on the bike. Definitely a street bike, nimble street bike. It's the wind blast being a naked that's stopping me. The question is, will my wife be able to sit at the back? Apart from this, I was also looking at the Honda 650R. I will try to do a test ride of that one also to see. So these are the two bikes I'm shortlisting as of now. This Trident 660 and the Honda 650 CB650. So in the traffic area now. I don't know why I came here. This area has a lot of traffic. So yeah, in the traffic, I think so, even in this third gear, I'm lazily driving. I didn't have to downshift or anything, and it has enough power and torque. When I raise it, there is a slight vibration that I am getting. Rest, the engine is very smooth. And you can see that gear changing our torque. So the gears are definitely a little bit on the harder side with this one. Maybe like it likes the quick shifter. But very nimble for a 660. It doesn't feel as a big bike, what do you say, while you're driving, and that's actually a good thing. It's nimble. I can do this flicking and all those things very easy with this one, like this. As you can see, it's very easy. So good, we got some little bit of traffic because yeah, obviously we will be having traffic like this. So in city traffic also it is nimble enough, and you don't feel the weight. The wet weight of this one is not that high, 189 kgs if I remember. Remember guys, this is wet weight, not the dry weight. Generally most manufacturers give only the, what do you say, dry weight, not the wet. And of course all electricals and lights are LED on this one as expected. The cost of this bag as of now, I don't know if they revised the pricing. They were going to revise it in 2022. It was 6.95 lakhs. Again, this color variant is slightly higher, but after paying what do you say, road tax, insurance and all that blah 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 blah, at least in Hyderabad it will be around about 8.5 to 8.6 lakhs or something like that. And I would say this bike, the seating position, now we have driven what, 15-20 minutes, is slightly aggressive, but not that aggressive that I'm bending down that much. and you'll have a serious backache or something like that. It's not too aggressive. The pegs, oh, now wow, I used the brake, it was good. So you have to really push the brake. After a certain point, the front brake really comes into its own, I have to say. Okay, I aggressively downshifted, so the slipper clutch works. I was trying the engine braking there. So in city, mostly you can ride it on this third gear, third and fourth. Pretty happy, I would say. Let's just head back now. I think so, must have ridden about 15-ish, 20-ish kilometers. Okay, here I know the road is a little bit bad, so let's see. But very easy, I would say, for a 660cc. And yes, it has the maniac power if you need it, but it doesn't scare you, I would say. If you want to drive it sedately, you can definitely do that. And third, we did 20. What 20? It's okay, fine. I don't have a problem with this. I'm doing 20. Okay, 15 I pulled from third gear. Okay, we shouldn't do that, but yeah, it was possible. So as I told you, we can. Okay, some pretty bad roads, and I'm happy to say I'm not getting that bone jarring effect. I'll have to ask Vikas what is the suspension setting that they have done on this one. Because in some of the reviews I said that the suspension is too hard, but I'm not noticing that. So you can pull, when you pull whoa, that triple cylinder. So guys, this was the Triumph Trident 660 first ride. Definitely interesting bike, I would say. It has the dual nature, you can drive it softly also. But if you want to ride like a maniac, it has the power, very nimble. Surprising thing was the suspension was not bad actually. Even my wife who's shooting this video sat on it, it was not bad. I thought that would be, but the clutch is a little bit hard to my liking, and when you shift the gears also it does make a sound. But again, it's a very interesting package, I would say. Do a test ride, many of you might like that. Anyways guys, that's it for now for this video. If you guys are not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. This is Ranjit and I hope to see you in my next video. Take care.